Today we're going to do repairs on 22mm pipework. First of all, select the correct size rubber seal. That's 22mm. You've got two leaks here. One is the hole in the pipe, one is the leaking fitting. Put the seal around the pipe, covering the leak. Place the tool on. Hold the jaw down with your thumb while you start the clamp. Click in the wire form, tighten the handle, and that stops the leak. Now we're going to do the joint. Inside each seal there's a rebate. Put your seal around the pipe and slide the rebate up to the leaking joint. Place your clamp over, holding the rubber seal up to the joint. Start the clamp. Clip in the wire form. Tighten the handle. And that stops the leak.
LeakMate is a unique and extremely effective solution for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, requiring a low-cost, reusable and effective remedy that will save them time, money and inconvenience. LeakMate is the only reusable tool specifically designed to stop leaks in seconds, thanks to its clever design, easy operation and range of seals supplied. LeakMate can be used on pipes and fittings made from copper, plastic or lead with up to 10 bar pressure, giving you time to arrange for a qualified plumber to fix the leak. Simply visit LeakMate.com now to find your nearest stockist. Other products do exist on the market, including freeze sprays, epoxy putty and fusion tape. However, these all have negative effects that include you having to turn off your water supply, not being suitable for pipes containing potable water, and of course they need replacing after a single use. LeakMate can be used over and over again to provide a no-fuss, quick fix during an emergency, new installation or DIY accident. For more information, get in touch with LeakMate today. Trade inquiries are welcome.